There is a Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So in the first step you have to open the settings, then go to the sound and vibration and go to the audio settings. Now enable Dolby Sound and choose the loudest equalizer. But if that way it's not enough for you, you can also try to download a volume booster app like this one. There you have the name of this app. Now just click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Now click OK, and how you can see, now we can increase and decrease the volume booster by this little slider. If you want to stop the service, use that button and click OK. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.